Hello everyone, so now we are going to do the basic lab. Already we discussed the basic stuff. Now we will start the lab. So I hope you already enjoyed the session before. So today is our next class. So in this one we are going to discuss how we can make the communication between two computers. So this is a packet tracer already we install and everyone is having the ready. Packet tracer is ready. Now what we can do, we can go here and click here. You can see you have the end devices are here. All the end devices are present here. So what we will do, we will take the PC. Just you need to drag and drop here. Drag and drop here. After that you will click this cable. This is the automatic cable. You can click here and click here and click here. Okay. So what we can do here, we connected two computer with the help of cable. What we done, we connected two computer with the help of cable. What we need to do now, we need to assign the IP address. So in this one, if you want to assign the IP address, you need to click the icon of this computer. Then you will have this another pop-up window. In this one, you need to click the desktop. After that, click IP config and you can put the IP address here. So we will use the IP. Already we discussed IP, right? In our previous class we discussed the IP. That is nothing but class A, class B, class C. Already we discussed that one. This is a new CCNA 200-301 batch. Some students are old in this one, but all other guys are new. Okay. So in this one we are discussing from the scratch. After that we will go for routing and switching, but basic stuff we will discuss first 5 days. Okay, we are going to cover all the stuff in 5 days, then we will move to the advanced topic. So here see, I am writing 192.168.1.1. okay, I will put this IP and then after that I will click here. You will get the subnet mask automatically. That is the default subnet mask for class C. In this one I will copy and just I will put here, this is the name of the PC, PC0. So in the place of that one I am putting this. So this one is a label only. So by seeing this label we know we assign this IP to this computer. Now I will go here, I will put another IP. Already we know regarding the IP address, class A, class B, class C, network portion, host portion, already we completed that one. So it is clear for everyone, right? This is an interactive class. If you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me. Okay? If you have any doubt, anything, you can unmute yourself and you can ask the question. This is an interactive class. In this one we are going to discuss how we are fixing, how we are solving the issue in the real scenario, how I am working in my company, how you are working, what challenges you are facing. We are discussing in this one. So no need to afraid, no need to shy. Okay, open your mic and speak if you have any doubt. So this IP I need to assign. This IP we need to assign. Go to this computer, go to the desktop, click the IP config, click here. Just paste and click, automatically subnet mask will come. This is a class C IP. After that we need to check the connectivity. What we need to do, we need to check the connectivity. So how we are going to check the connectivity? If you remember, we told we will use the ping command. But in the real scenario, in the company, ping will be blocked. You cannot ping the server or the router IP. In some company it will be open, you can ping. But most of the company you cannot do the ping. Okay, you cannot ping the what we can say your server IP because we are using the firewall and it is blocked. But that is depend company to company. In some company it is open also. Or if you are doing some troubleshooting, you can request the firewall engineer. So he can create one policy for particular your PC. So your PC can ping and do the trace route. That one we will see later. We are going to solve one problem. We have one ticket. We are going to look that one. But not now. Once we finish the routing, we will use the ticket to solve that one. I will show you how I am fixing the issue, how I am solving the ticket in the real issue. I am not going to show you real network, but I am going to create that scenario in our virtual lab, and we are going to do that one, because I cannot show you all the real thing what I am accessing. It is not allowed. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to create the scenario and I am going to teach you that one. I have real device also. If you want, I can give the CLI, you can look, but doing in that one or doing in the EVNG or GNS3 or packet tracer, it is similar. You need to understand the concept and practice, so you can easily crack the interview. And if you have any problem in the network, you can fix very quickly. Okay, anyhow, later we will see that one. Now this is the basic thing. So first of all, we are going to fix, because I am telling here, because some 3 freshers join here, just they graduate. So that's why I am repeating this one, so they should have the idea about what we are doing in our CCNA batch. Okay, so here if you see, already we have IP here, and here also we have the IP. Now what we can do to check the connectivity, we can use the ping. So click here, then go to the command prompt, and you can write here ping and put the IP address. You want to check this computer, right? So you need to put this computer IP address here. So you will write 192.168.1.2 and press enter. And if you see reply is coming, means it is working perfectly. It is working perfectly. Both are communicating. If you want to do reverse way, you can go here and you can ping the other computer also. Ping and write this computer IP to check the connectivity. Okay. So if you see, it is also working. So both computers are communicating with each other. What we can say, both computers are communicating with each other. Okay. So